Good afternoon to one and all. This is Dr. K. Pushpa Rani, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, MLR Institute of Technology. So, coming to this video, calculating the coefficient of generating function. How to calculate the coefficient value in the case of generating function. So, what is the overview of this video is we need to calculate the coefficient value of generating function with the help of examples. So, before going to solve, we need to remember the formulas. That is 1 plus x whole power n is equal to sigma or equal to 0 to n. So, whether 1 is present in the first term or not, we need to observe. After that, whether it is a positive term or negative term. If it is a positive term, apply the formula number 1. If it is a positive term with negative power, then apply the second term. If it is a negative term with positive power, apply the third formula. Then both are negative. That is, the second term is negative and power is also negative. We have to apply the formula number 4. With the help of these formulas, we need to find out the coefficient value in the case of generating function. So, find the first example. Determine the coefficient of x to the power of 12 in x3 into 1 minus 2x whole power 10. So, what is the n value? What is r value? We need to find out. Based on that, we need to find out the coefficient of x to the power of 12. So, what is x to the power of 3? 1 minus 2x whole power 10. It is the negative term with the positive power. Negative term with the positive power. If it is a negative term with the positive power, what is the formula? That is 1 minus x whole to the power of n. Sigma r equal to 0 to infinity. Third formula. NCR minus 1 whole to the power of x to the power of r. 1 minus x whole power n equal to, what is the formula? N sigma r equal to 0 to infinity. Then NCR minus 1 x to the power of r. This is the formula. So, x cube, write separately, sigma. So, how many powers are there? That is 10. Sigma r equal to 0 to 10 and CR. That means n value is 10, CR. It is written as like this. Then after that, minus 1 means that is the, what is the value in that minus 1? Minus 1 only, minus 2x whole to the power of r. Sigma r equal to 0 to infinity 10 CR. So, we need to separate the powers. Minus 2 power r. Here it is x. X to the power of r. X to the power of 3 into x to the power of r means x to the power of r plus 3. So, to get x to the power of 12, which value we have to substitute? Already 3 is there. You substitute 9. Then we'll get x to the power of 12. We need to find out the coefficient of x to the power of 12. We need to substitute r equal to 9. That is C12. So, r value is, once you have to find out 10CR means 10C9 minus 2 to the power of 9. 2 to the power of 9 value 10C9. After simplifying, we'll get, so it is a odd number, will get negative sign. Minus 5 to 10 is the coefficient of x to the power of 12. Coefficient of x to the power of 12 is minus 5 to 10. Consider the second example. Determine the coefficient of x to the power of 5 in 1 minus 2x whole power 7. 1 minus 2x whole power 7 means negative sign, negative symbol, negative power as well as negative term. Then sigma r equal to 0 to infinity, that is n plus r minus 1. N is 7. N value is 7. Plus r minus 1, then r 2x to the power of r. It is the formula. Sigma r equal to 0 to infinity. So, what is 7 r minus 1? That is 6 plus r into r 2x to the power of r. We don't know what is r value. We need to find out. So, that is sigma r equal to 0 to 5. Then, so what is the r value? 6 plus 5. So, we need to find out 5 coefficient. 6 plus 5 means 11. 11 C5. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. Then, we'll get x to the power of r. Only one term covered. Then, x to the power of 5 is x to the power of 5. 2 power 5 is 32. 11 C5. After calculating, we'll get 14,784 is the coefficient of x to the power of 5. Then third example, Determine the coefficient of x power 0 in 3x square minus 2x whole power 15. First of all, converting the given expansion in the form of required format of coefficient. So, we know that 3x square minus 2x whole power 15. First, we have to divide. 3x square minus 3x square whole power 15 is the one part. Take the common, we'll get 1 minus 2 by 3x cube into whole power 15. That is the whole power 15. This is the expansion. Next, 1 minus x whole power positive. Then we have to get 3 to the power of 15. X square into 15. X 2 into 5 is 30. That is x to the power of 30. Sigma r equal to 0 to infinity. Infinity means power 15. 15 CR. 15 CR means we don't know what is R value. Based on the calculation, we have to decide. 15 CR minus 2 power R. 2 power R means what is there in the place of x? 2 by 3x cube whole to the power of R. Next, 3 to the power of 5. Sigma R equal to 0 to infinity 15 R. We need to separate 2 by 3 into R. X to the power of 3 into R, that is 3R. 30 minus 3R. Here x to the power of 30. Here minus 1 by x to the power of 3 into R, that is x to the power of 3R. Then, so x to 30 minus 3R is equal to 0. Then 30 equal to 3R. Then R is equal to 10. R is equal to 10. So, if it is R is equal to 10, then only we'll get, so 30 minus 30 will get x to the power of 0 value. So, 3 to the power of 5, 15 CR, 15, 10 minus 2 power 3, R value is 10. R value is 10. After calculating, we are going to get to the power of 3 to the power of 5 into 2 to the power of 10 into 15 C10. This is the problem. This is the solution. We are going to get the coefficient of x to the power of 0. Next, determine the coefficient of x to the power of 10 in x cube minus 5x divided by 1 minus x whole power 3. First of all, we need to converting this given value into the required form of expansion. X cube minus 5x into 1 by 1 minus 3. It is written as 1 minus 3 whole power minus 3. That is, separate the terms x cube minus 5x. 1 minus x whole power minus 3. That is sigma r equal to 0 to infinity. 3 plus r minus 1 into r x to the power of r. Again, separate x cube minus 5x. Sigma r equal to 0 to infinity. So, 3 minus 1, that is 2 plus r into r x to the power of r. To find out x to the power of 10. How to find out x to the power of 10? Already x cube is there. Minus, we need to separate the terms. X cube, again we need to calculate sigma r equal to 0 to infinity. 2 plus r into r. X to the power of r. Minus 5x. Separate the terms. Sigma r equal to 0 to infinity. 2 plus r into x to the power of r. After taking all the terms, then r value is 7. R value is 7. The first term is 9c7 minus 5 into, for this one, so after simplifying all this expression, r is equal to 7, then we'll get 9c7. This is the final value. For the second term, to get x power 10, then r value is 9. R value is 9. Then simplifying this value and subtracting the final value, will get minus 239. Here we have to separating the terms and find out the values of r. That is x plus 3 plus r, we need to find out the value. Then here x power 3, x power r means 3 plus r. R is equal to 10, r value is 7. Here in this example, x to power 1 is there. That is x power 1 plus r is equal to, that is 10. Then r value is 9. In the case of second case, r value is 9. Simplifying, we are going to get 5, 11, C9. So 9C7 value should be find out and 5 into 11C9 value should be find out, and subtracting will get minus 239 is the coefficient of x to the power of 10. Find the coefficient of x to the power of 32 in 1 plus x to the power of 5 plus x to the power of 9 whole power 10. That is n equal to 10. Then to get x power 32, how many times we can use 5, how many times we can use 9, that is equal to the power of 10. That is equal to the power of 10. That means x to the power of 10, we need to get 10 factorial by, to get 32. 9 is used 3 times, we'll get 27. Then 5 is used 1 time, that is 5. Then 27 plus 5, 32 will get. But what about remaining, so 9 times, after that 5 times, what about 0? Here 3 plus 1, remaining 10, total 10 terms are there. 6 times we can use 0. 6 times we can use 0. That means 10 factorial by, so that is 9 factorial. How many times we can use 9? 3 times. 3 factorial. How many times we can use 1? 1 factorial. How many times we can use 0? 6 factorial. That means we are going to get 10 factorial by 3 factorial means 10 into 7 into 9 into 8 into 7. 6 get cancelled. 3 factorial means 3 into 2. So 3 1s are 3 3s are 2 1s are 2 4s are. Then we'll get 7 4s are 28 280 into 3. So 3 0 0 3 8 are 24, 3 2s are 6 7 8. 840. X to the power of 32 is 840. The coefficient of x to the power of 32 is 840. That means the total power should be equal to this value, 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 27. That is equal to the given power. 27 plus 5, 32. That is 6 factorial. Remaining value 6 factorial. Find the coefficient of x to the power of 9 in 1 plus x cube plus x to the power of whole power 10. E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus E9, E10 and so on up to 10 terms is equal to the 9 value. How to get 9 value? There is a 3 times you can use only 0, 3, 8. First power is 0. Second power is 3. Third power is 8. By using only these 3 terms only, how to find out the 9 value. So, to get 9, 3 times 0. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. After that, remaining all are zeros only. Then, x to the power of 9 equal to 10 factorial. That means total power is 10 factorial. How many times we can use 3 is 3 is a factor. How many times we can use 0? 7 factorial. 10 factorial by 7 factorial. That is equal to 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 3 into 2. 3 1s are 3 3s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 4s are. That means 4 3s are 12. 12 into 1, 120. That is x to the power of 9 value is 120. Next. Find the coefficient of x to the power of 16 in 1 plus x power plus x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 8 whole power 10. That means E1 plus E2 plus E3 and so on up to En is equal to 10. Then to get 16, there are 3 choices. That is 6 means we'll get 4 times. 4 times. If it is 4 times, remaining will get, we are not going to get 0. So that is 0 6 times. That is one option is 10 factorial by 4 factorial, 6 factorial. That is one option. To get 16, 8 2 times. If 8 2 times, 0 is 8 times. That is 10 factorial by 2 factorial, 8 factorial. Then another choice is 4 2 times. That means 4 2 times means the value is 8. 8 2 times, 8 one time, that means 8. Remaining zeros are 7 times. That is 10 factorial by how many times we can use 4? 2 times. 2 factorial. How many times we can use 8? 1 time. Remaining 7 factorial. So these are the three possibilities to get the x power 16 coefficient. So that may be choice 1, choice 2, choice 3. We can choose any one of the choice to find the coefficient of x to the power of 16. So what we have discussed up to now, how to calculate the coefficient of generating function, and we can understanding those generating function with the help of example. Thank you.